Hello family and friends, I am so glad you're joining me today. We are doing part 2 of a 3-part series of pinwheels. I start with the same base spread that I will be using on all of the appetizers, and that is an 8-ounce block of cream cheese softened, a 1/4 cup of pesto from a jar is what I use. And then with this pinwheel, we're going to use whole wheat tortillas. And I start by spreading the cream cheese spread all over the tortilla and making sure I get it covered all the way to the edges. And I use 4 slices of Swiss cheese, 8 slices of pepperoni, 8 slices of salami, and 8 slices of capicola. And I divide that between 2 burrito size tortillas. So once I get the tortilla covered with the spread, then I start by layering the cheese, and then I'll do the meat, and I'll just alternate it until it gets entirely covered. And it's meat and cheese, so I'll do that combination till I get all of it on there. And it is a trick to roll it up. You do want to roll it up as tight as you possibly can, and then after you roll it, you'll want to wrap it with saran wrap and refrigerate it for at least 2 hours so it'll set. And then when you're ready to go to your party, you can cut them in 1-inch sections. You can either do it at the party you're going to or before you go and put it on a platter. So that is the Meaty Pinwheel. I hope you enjoy it. And until next time, make it a gorgeous day every day. Bye.